This is Albert, a spontaneous, careless, and noisy boy. He's a pain in the ass. She is Jessie. She is frivolous, and her appearance is more important than anything else for her. This is James, a typical jock, fixated on his body. Basically, he only cares about sports. Taylor is a really nice, sociable person. Everybody likes her. And that's me, Chloe. I don't really want us to be here, so let's pray these days goes by fast.
Guys, why did you all leave me?
What do you mean? You left us.
And the others? Where are they? I think we lost them.
I won! What's going on?
We are lost.
Albert, this is all your fault.
Don't worry, guys. I have it under control.
What's wrong with you? Have you tried to call the teacher?
No, I haven't. There's no mobile service here.
That's awful.
It's getting dark and we should find a safe place first and then try to call the teacher.
Yes, let's start looking for a place.
Hey, it's getting dark and we haven't found anything yet.
Calm down, guys. Let's just keep looking.
I'm so tired.
Me too.
We all are. Hey, I think I found a safe place to spend the night. Come, guys.
Thank God.
It seems fine. Let's get prepared for the night.
Look, the sky's so beautiful tonight.
Yeah, you are right. I have never seen such a clear sky before.
Stars and their lives are actually very interesting.
Really? Why?
For stars to be born, there have to be certain conditions. They are born because of nebulae, which are formed of cold clouds and star dust that are floating in space. These particles slowly get closer and closer until they eventually form a star.
That's amazing.
It is, but the best part is about their death. Because the stars that we see shining in the sky could be dead, but we still see them because of how far they are.
I have read about that. What you're saying is basically that if a star is 100 light years away and dies, it will take 100 years until we stop being able to see its light.
So we could be seeing the light of this star, right?
Guys, it's really late. We should try to sleep so that tomorrow we're able to find the rest. You're right.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say that I would have never thought it would be possible to experience this with you.
Me neither. I used to think we would never talk if it wasn't inside of a class.
We had to get lost to become friends.
Well, good night, guys.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning, guys.
Look, guys, that's the hostel.